Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ray Stowers, the Dean of the DeBus College of Osteopathic Medicine at Lincoln Memorial University, and we're here on the parking lot of our beautiful arena awaiting the arrival of WellmontOne, which is the lead helicopter for the Wellmont healthcare systems in Kingsport and Southwest Virginia. We have some great visitors coming in today. Ron Pruitt from Wellmont, David Brash, also an executive of Wellmont Healthcare Systems, Delegate Clarence Bud Phillips will be here today. This will be his first time to see the campus, and David Pryor, the Chancellor at UVY. We look forward to not only showing them the campus, but some really meaningful conversations today about how we can all work together to serve the needs of Appalachia.
Yeah, I can get used to this.
I'm the Senior Associate Dean.
Pleased to meet you.
Hey, David, how are you?
Yes.
This is our President, Jim Dawson.
Pleased to meet you, Mr. Dawson.
And our Dean,
David Pryor.
Hi, David.
How are you?
our Dean, Ray Stowers.
Good to see you.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
How you been?
Stowers.
Good, good,
Yes.
good. Yeah, good to see you. Thank you for the
Jimmy Martin, I'm a third-year student.
Jimmy, good to see you. Dr. William, pleased to meet you. Hi, Joshua. Good to see you this morning.
I don't.